Have you ever experienced that persistent ache or tightness in your chest after a long, intense coughing spell? It can be a bit unsettling, making you wonder if something serious is going on with your lungs or heart. This common sensation often prompts us to question whether it is just a temporary discomfort or a signal that we should pay closer attention to our health. When you experience chest soreness from coughing, it is often due to muscle strain and irritation, similar to how your muscles feel after a strenuous workout. While this type of soreness is generally not a cause for immediate alarm, it is important to distinguish it from more serious underlying issues, especially if you have a chronic lung condition like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The primary reason for this soreness is the intense and repetitive action of coughing. Your chest wall muscles, including the intercostal muscles between your ribs and your diaphragm, work hard to expel air from your lungs. Prolonged or forceful coughing can lead to microscopic tears in these muscle fibers, causing inflammation and pain. Additionally, the constant irritation of your airways during a cough can also contribute to a sensation of soreness or burning within the chest. To help manage and assess your chest soreness, consider these practical steps. First, try gentle, soothing remedies like warm compresses on your chest or taking a warm shower to relax the muscles. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, which can help thin mucus and make coughing more productive and less strenuous. You can also try over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen, if appropriate for your health situation. If you have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, follow your action plan for managing symptoms. Pay close attention to how long the soreness lasts and if it is accompanied by other symptoms like shortness of breath, fever, or changes in mucus color. It is also helpful to understand that while muscle strain is common, conditions like pleurisy, which is an inflammation of the lining of the lungs, can also manifest as chest pain exacerbated by coughing. Knowing the subtle differences, like whether the pain is sharp and localized versus a dull ache, can provide valuable clues. Your body is always giving you signals, and learning to interpret them can empower you to take better control of your lung health. Ultimately, recognizing the difference between benign muscle strain and more concerning symptoms is key to proactive health management. If your chest soreness is severe, worsens over time, interferes with your breathing, or is accompanied by new or unusual symptoms, always consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide an accurate diagnosis and ensure you receive the appropriate care, helping you breathe easier and worry less.